Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy for Yorkshire pudding. First, collect all the delicious pan drippings from your roast, as these form the foundation of your gravy's flavor. You'll want about 2 tablespoons of fat from the drippings, along with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Have 2 cups of hot beef or chicken stock ready to go, ensuring it's warm for a smoother process. This initial setup is crucial for a perfect, flavorful gravy. Now, let's build that essential flavor. Place your pan with the drippings over medium heat until the fat is shimmering. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, creating a smooth paste known as a roux. Continue to cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This step is vital for cooking out the raw flour taste and developing a lovely golden brown color, which adds depth to your gravy. With your roux ready, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in the 2 cups of hot stock, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently to ensure even thickening. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it reaches your desired consistency. If it's too thick, add a splash more stock. If too thin, simmer a little longer. Finally, taste your gravy and season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. You can also add a dash of Worcestershire sauce or a sprig of fresh thyme for extra complexity. For an extra smooth finish, pass the gravy through a fine mesh sieve. Serve your delicious, homemade gravy hot over fluffy Yorkshire puddings and your favorite roast. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.